Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Adam, and this is my overview of my rough cut. So the first thing I did when going through this project is I imported all of my B-roll and all of my footage. Every single clip that I had, I named with what that clip was, so I could quickly reference what I needed when doing this project. Uh, I made a bin for all my B-roll, I made a bin for my interviews, and then I made a bin for the sequences, because I work with individual sequences. So I have my interview sequences, my B-roll, and then my main sequence where I did all of my editing. And the way that I would pull this off is I would go through and I would use my paper edit from our previous class. And everything that I've labeled, I have time codes. So all of my supporting footage and B-roll has time codes. And then all of my clips, my audio bites, have their time code. Now each of those is referenced from its own sequence. So my first clip that I wanted apparently on here was from 1337 in my B-roll of the opening shot of Jared putting on a glove. So if we come over here and I go into my B-roll over to 1337, let's see, go back here a little bit. There was 1337, Jared putting on the glove, and that's the first clip that I moved over into my main sequence. So as it starts off, that's the first thing I have. From there, 2039 of the interview, we have Jared with a soundbite. So I go to my interview, 2039, over here, 2017, 2039, and that would be the soundbite that I pulled from for the next part of the sequence. Step by step, I went through, followed that paper edit, and can very easily pull from each one and put it together in my main sequence without having to shift everything around. It's a very simple process, and it works extremely well.